Some days don't ask you to move forward. They ask you to notice where you already are. The quiet here isn't the absence of sound. It's the absence of urgency. Her hand rests on the books, not searching for answers, just something that understands her silence. Pages turn one after another, not to reach the end, but to stay a little longer in between. The seat by the window doesn't offer anything new. It simply holds space without asking her to change. The rain grows heavier outside, a reminder that the world keeps moving, even when you choose to stand still. Maybe peace was never something to chase. Maybe it was always there, in the moments we stopped trying to leave.